I've been doing freelance animation work for more than 2 years now. And if I had to start my career all over again, and this is how I would do it. Hi, my name is JK. I'm a freelance animator here in the Philippines. And if you're thinking about being a freelance animator, this video is for you. So let's get straight right into it. Now, the first thing that I would do is to create a portfolio. A portfolio of my best work that showcase my skills, experience, and knowledge when it comes to animation. Luckily, there's a lot of free website builders out there that can help us build our own animation portfolio, such as Wix, GoDaddy, and WordPress. But I personally like Wix.com. Now, I'm not a professional web designer, but I tried my best to make my animation portfolio looks professional, and here's my website for my animation portfolio looks like. Now, if you want to see me on how I build my animation portfolio, open this video in a new tab to watch it later. The next thing that I would do is to start networking. Start joining online animation communities, attending animation events, and start connecting with professionals in the industry. Building a solid network will give me access to more opportunities and also increase the chances of landing a project or a gig. One way to do this is to create or set up your LinkedIn profile and join groups and communities. When starting out, it is very important to set a realistic expectation. You might not land on a big project right away, but don't get discouraged easily. Keep honing your skills, gain experience, and improve your portfolio. The next thing that I would do is to figure out my pricing. And this is one of the most important pieces when it comes to freelancing as an animator. There's a lot of different types of animation out there. That's why I can give you specific numbers. That's why I highly do recommend as well to do your research on that specific field of animation, because there's a lot of types of animation that you might be doing. And also don't forget to adjust your price accordingly. Find a sweet spot that is fair both for you and client. Now, if you want to learn more on how to price for animation correctly, watch this video right here. Finally, always remember to stay motivated and passionate. Being a freelancer, especially a creative, requires a lot of effort, requires a lot of time, dedication, and consistency. But with the right mindset, you can be a successful freelance animator. If you're interested to learn more about on how to make money as an animator, watch this playlist right here that I created, and I hope they can help you out. If you're interested on a one-on-one coaching on how to freelance as an animator, you can schedule a call with me on the first link in the description of this video. And that's it from me. Peace out.